We frequently get asked whether we have the connecting rods with the sensor pickups for newer model vehicles. So we wanted to do a short follow-up video to show the parts we make and demonstrate the difference. So this first manifold is the one from our original video. It's an older model Mercedes, so it doesn't have a position sensor on the connecting rod, so it doesn't require any sensor pickups here. It's just the original version of the rod. This second manifold is a newer model Mercedes, and you can see it does have a Hall position sensor here, which detects the position of the rod by detecting the position of the sensor pickups. Right there, you can see. So it'll give an open or closed signal on the swirl valves depending on its position. So the original version, the non-sensor pickup version of the connecting rod, will not work on this manifold, and you need to get the newer version. Now, as far as the parts we make, you can see there are three different versions of the connecting rod, the originals, and then there's different layouts for the position sensors, the sensor pickups. So when getting in touch, be sure to let us know your vehicle model and year so that we can select the correct version of rod for you and give you an accurate quote. And you can see we also now make the retainers, brand new retainers, a little bit thicker, so they should last a little bit longer than the originals.